Want to speed up document editing? I'll show you an easy way to find and replace words in Microsoft Word like a pro. Manually searching is slow, but the right tricks make editing faster. Let's begin. To access Find and Replace, there are two ways. Navigate to Home and Find in the top right corner of the ribbon. Use the shortcut Ctrl F to open the Find tool. Enter the word you want to search for, like Enchanted Forest. Below the search box, you'll see a result count. If you need an exact capitalization match, for example, finding Eldoria with an uppercase letter, click Options, check Match Case, and click OK. The results update to show under the search box. Need to search for word variations? Open Options, check Use Wildcards, and click OK. Enter T0 kilometer. The JAD wildcard allows any first character as long as 0 kilometers appears in the text. Want to find similar sounding words? Check Sounds Like English. Searching for Eldoria may match Eldoria, Eldoria, or similar names. The results update below search box. Now let's move on to Replace. Open Replace using Ctrl H. The tool contains Find, Replace, and Go To options. To change text formatting, follow these steps. In the Find What box, type Colorful. Click Format, Font, select Bold, then click OK. In the Replace With box, type Colorful again. Click Format, Font, select Regular, and confirm. Click Find Next to replace one by one, or Replace to confirm each change. Warning: be cautious with Replace All as it applies changes instantly. Need to remove extra spaces between words? Click Show Hide to see formatting marks. A single dot represents one space. A double dot indicates double spaces. In Find What, press spacebar twice. In Replace With, press spacebar once. Click Find Next, then select Replace or Replace All as needed. To remove extra paragraph breaks, in Find What, enter PP, double paragraph mark. In Replace With, enter P, single paragraph mark. Click Replace or Replace All to remove extra breaks. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.